Have you ever dreamed of making over $1,500 a week without leaving your house? What if I told you there's a way to do it using something called AI e-commerce? Sounds exciting, right? Well, get ready because today I'm going to spill all the secrets on how to make big money with an AI-powered online store. What is AI e-commerce? Now, you might be wondering, what in the world is AI e-commerce? Don't worry, I've got you covered. AI e-commerce is like having a super smart robot helper for your online store. This robot can do all sorts of cool things to make your store run better and earn more money. It's like giving your store a brain boost. Why AI e-commerce is a game changer? You see, the internet is always changing, and so is the way people shop online. With AI e-commerce, your store can keep up with all these changes without you having to work super hard. It's like having a store that runs itself while you relax and watch the money roll in. The power of high-ticket products. Now, here's a big secret: selling expensive stuff online is where the real money is at. We call these high-ticket products. Instead of selling lots of cheap things, you sell fewer expensive things. This way, you make more money with each sale. It's like selling one big, fancy toy instead of a bunch of little ones. Finding the perfect products to sell. But how do you know what expensive stuff to sell? Well, I've got a trick for you. Look around your house, or when you're out and about. See any big, pricey things? Maybe a fancy exercise machine at the gym or a cool fireplace at a friend's house? These could be great things to sell in your AI e-commerce store. Using Google to spot trends. Here's another secret: use Google to see what's popular. Type in things like "buy electric guitar online" or "electric fireplace for sale" in Google Shopping. Look at the stores that pop up. If you see lots of stores selling the same thing, it might be a good product to sell yourself. Checking if a product is growing in popularity. But wait, there's more. We want to make sure people will keep wanting to buy our stuff in the future. So, we use something called Google Trends. It's like a magic crystal ball that shows us if more and more people are searching for our product over time. If the line on the graph is going up, that's a good sign. Finding suppliers for your products. Now that we know what to sell, we need to find people who can give us the products. These are called suppliers. To find them, go back to those online stores we looked at earlier. Look for a section that says brands and write down all the names you see. These could be your future suppliers. Building your website. Okay, now for the fun part: building your very own website. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. There are tools like Shopify that make it super easy. It's like playing with digital Lego blocks. You can even copy other successful stores, but remember to change the words a bit so it's not the same. The importance of speed over perfection. Here's a big tip: don't spend forever trying to make your website perfect. It's better to get it up and running quickly. You can always make it prettier later. The important thing is to start selling as soon as possible. Setting up your AI helpers. Now, this is where the AI magic happens. We're going to set up some AI helpers for your store. These helpers can do things like talk to customers, suggest products, and even help you decide what to sell next. It's like having a team of super smart assistants working for you 24/7. Using AI for customer service. One of the coolest things AI can do is talk to your customers. It can answer questions, help people find what they're looking for, and even handle complaints. This means you don't have to sit by your computer all day answering messages. The AI does it for you. AI-powered product recommendations. Another awesome AI trick is recommending products to your customers. It's like having a smart salesperson who knows exactly what each customer might like. This can help you sell more stuff without doing any extra work. Using AI to predict what will sell. AI can also help you figure out what products will be popular in the future. It looks at lots of information and tells you what people might want to buy next. This way, you can always have the coolest, most in-demand products in your store. Setting up your advertising. Now that your store is ready, it's time to tell people about it. We're going to use something called targeted advertising. It's like putting up posters, but only where the right people will see them. We want to find people who are already looking to buy what we're selling. The magic of bottom-of-the-funnel advertising. Here's a secret trick: we want to focus on people who are ready to buy right now. We call these people bottom of the funnel. They already know what they want, they just need to find a place to buy it. That's where your store comes in. Using search engines to find customers. One great way to find these ready-to-buy customers is through search engines like Google. When someone types in something very specific, like "buy red 32-inch electric fireplace," we know they're probably ready to buy. We want our store to show up when they search for things like this. The power of Facebook and TikTok ads. We can also use social media like Facebook and TikTok to find customers. These platforms know a lot about what people like, so we can show our ads to people who might be interested in our products. It's like having a magic wand that points our ads in the right direction. Email marketing strategies. Another cool way to find customers is through email. We can make a list of people who might want to buy our stuff and send them special offers. For example, if we're selling massage chairs, we could email gym owners and tell them how our chairs could help their business. Creating irresistible offers. When we're reaching out to potential customers, we don't just say, "Hey, want to buy this?" Instead, we tell them how our product can solve a problem or make their life better. For example, we might tell a gym owner, "Want to charge more for memberships? Our massage chairs can help." This makes people more likely to buy. The art of scaling your business. Once your store is making money, it's time to make it even bigger. This is called scaling. There are two ways to do this. One way is to spend more money on ads for the products that are already selling well. The other way is to start selling new products. It's like growing a garden: you can either make your existing plants bigger or plant new ones. The power of doing more of what works. Here's a simple but powerful secret: to make more money, do more of what's already working. If sending 1,000 emails gets you 2 sales, sending 10,000 emails should get you 20 sales. It's not always that simple, but it's a good place to start. Automating your business with AI. As your business grows, you'll have more and more to do. This is where AI comes in handy again. You can use AI to automate lots of tasks, like answering customer emails, updating your website, and even deciding what products to order more of. It's like having a robot army working for you. The dream of selling your business. Now, here's something really exciting to think about. Once your store is making lots of money, you might be able to sell it for a huge amount. Many e-commerce stores sell for about 4 times what they make in a year. So if your store makes $250,000 a year, you might be able to sell it for $1 million. That's like winning the lottery. The math behind $1 million store. Let's break down the math a bit. To sell your store for $1 million, you need to be making about $250,000 a year in profit. That's about $20,000 a month. If you're selling expensive products where you make a $1,000 profit on each sale, you only need to sell 20 things a month. That's less than 1 sale a day. The importance of taking action. Now, I know all of this might sound too good to be true. But here's the thing: it is possible. The secret is to do something about it. Many people will watch this video and then do nothing. But the ones who take action are the ones who could end up making $1,500 or more every week. Wow, we've covered a lot today. I hope you're as excited about AI e-commerce. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more money-making secrets. And hey, why not share this video with a friend who's been looking for a way to make some extra cash? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your $1 million store could be just a click away.